Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing. Make a quick template backup, because once you edit HTML, you want a restore point. Next, get the plugin code or widget file you plan to add. Verify it's safe. Now log into Blogger, open Theme and choose Edit HTML if the plugin needs direct insertion, or open Layout and select Add a Gadget to place a widget. Once done, keep the editor open and move to the exact insertion point for the next step. You'll now insert the code carefully. First, find the right spot, header for scripts, sidebar for widgets, or inside the post loop for per-post functionality. Then paste the plugin HTML or script into Edit HTML, or add an HTML/JavaScript gadget via Layout. Make sure linked CSS and JS are included in the head or before closing body so dependencies load, otherwise the plugin will break. Once pasted, tweak any item. Finish by saving and verifying the plugin on a live page. View the site in an incognito window to avoid cached assets. If it doesn't appear, clear cache and check the browser console for JavaScript errors. Conflicts often come from duplicate libraries or wrong load order. If layout breaks, disable other widgets and retest. If the problem persists, revert to the backup, then change placement or script order and try again. That single change often resolves most integration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.